Hey, how's it going, Pablo? This is Devin from SEO Dallas, Texas, and in this quick video, I'm going to show you 3 easy ways you can beat your competition online starting today. You're probably wondering why I'm making this video. It's simple. I found out a little while ago there's a lot of small business owners out there that are spending all their time running their business, taking care of their customers, and they don't really have the time to learn how to make the internet work for them and bring in more of those customers. And typically the only thing holding them back from hiring a marketing agency is they don't know who is an expert and who is not an expert. And so I found that by making these attack plans and just giving them away for free, a lot of business owners still end up raising their hands going, you know what, Devin, I like you, just take care of this for me. So if at the end of this all, you see I've got some tricks up my sleeve and you want me to help you, give me a call and we can chat. If you want to do this yourself, that's totally okay too. This is free education with no strings attached. What I'm going to talk to you about today is going to be content, backlinks, and citations. So content is first, and that's everything that you can read on the front page that Google looks through to determine what keywords to rank you for and where to rank you for those keywords. And keywords are just phrases that people search into Google to find you, like fence contractor in Plano, for example. Now, content, you want about 1,500 to 2,000 words on your front page stuffed with those keywords. That's what Google considers an authoritative website. And that includes all the text that you can read, all the text behind your images, and then whatever your images are saved as. So Pablo, if you look at your website here, I like the logo you got right here, and you've got a lot of photos. That's really awesome to help close business because people are visual creatures, so that's great. As far as content goes, you probably have about 300 words on this page, or less. You're going to want to have about 1,500 words. Your main competition is Fence Makeovers. They have probably about 500 words on their page. And Plano Fence Services, they've got about 1,200 words on their page, so they're doing it right. So you're going to want to have at least 1,500, if not 2,000 words on that front page to beat them. Now, content is king, but it's not the end-all fix-all. By the way, you can also save your images as things such as like fence contractor and Plano. Now, content is king, but it's not the end-all fix-all. The missing piece of the puzzle is called backlinks. And backlinks are important because Google is kind of like a popularity contest, and look at how many other websites on the internet are linking to your website, driving traffic to your website. And not all links are created equal. You get a lot more power from other fencing companies linking to you than you would from like Pizza Hut linking to you. Obviously, you're not a pizza company. I use a tool to check this out. It's called Ahrefs. It costs about $1,000 a month depending on the plan you use, but it gives you some really valuable data on what's going on in the back end of websites. So you have a Google site, which means you don't own it, which means you can't really do anything to rank it. You're going to want to have your own website. If you go over here to Fence Makeovers and the Plano Fence Services, they only have 8 websites linking to them, and they have 57 websites linking to them. However, check out the traffic they're getting. 213 extra people going to them a month. That's all you got to beat. So what I recommend is getting your own website, bringing it up to about 1,500, 2,000 words on your front page, and then beating them with a good, 60 websites pointing at you. 213 people getting to your website a month is a lot of extra business. Last thing I talked to you about, Pablo, is going to be citations. When someone types in Fence Repair Plano and they're ready to buy, they're typically going to call the first contractor that shows up that seems trustworthy, and you want to be that contractor because those are the easiest customers to close. Most people skip these ads because, one, a lot of people have ad blockers so they don't see them, but there's also a large group of people who have had bad experiences with these ads, and so they skip them on purpose. And so the best place to rank yourself is right here in the Google My Business or local map pack section. To get here, you need more citations than your competitors. And citations are anywhere where your name, your address, and your phone number are listed in different directories across the web. And directories are just websites that allow you to list your business's information like Yelp, Yext, Yellow Pages, White Pages, Facebook, Angie's List, Home Advisor. These are all really common ones. And so a great strategy here is to figure out what directories your competitors are listed in. Go list yourself in those same directories and add a bunch more on top. I always recommend adding about 30 to 40% more to give yourself a nice space cushion. So once you take this number 1 spot, it's going to take them a long time to catch up to you, and all you have to do is maybe an hour or 2 of work per month to hold that number 1 spot and keep getting all those easy to close customers. So that's all I've got for you. I hope you found this really informative. What I went over today was, Pablo, was to get your website up to about 1,500 to 2,000 words, and I would definitely recommend owning your own site, not just having a Google site. Backlinks, you're going to want to get about 60 to 70 websites pointing at you within the fencing industry, and the best way to do it is just copy your competitors. Like Fence Repair is a good one. Fence. Any ones that do with fence are good ones to take, I would say. And then citations, figure out what directories your competitors are in. Go list yourself in those same directories and add a bunch more on top. One more thing I want to point out too. Fence Makeovers is getting all that traffic and they're not even ranked here. Imagine if they are ranked here and here. Imagine if you were ranked here and here, how much business you get. I hope you found this informative. Pablo, if you want to do this yourself, by all means, it's totally okay. This is free education. All I ask in return is you give me a couple words of feedback, whether it's good or bad, as a response to this email so I can make these videos better in the future. If you want me to help you, our website is SEODallasTX.com, phone number 214-441-6737. If you're looking at our website on your mobile phone, click this link and it goes right to our phones. Thanks for watching this, Pablo. Have a great day. Bye.